$2,800. That's what this guy paid in towing, repairs, and a ruined weekend. Why? Because he ignored one simple sign on his wheel bearing. And at 65 miles per hour on the highway, the wheel literally came off. If your Silverado has over 100K miles, stick around because I'm going to show you exactly what to check. Takes 2 minutes, could save your life. If you have a high-mileage Silverado and want to avoid thousands in repairs, subscribe now and comment how many miles yours has because I want to know. Let's go. After 100K miles, your Silverado's wheel bearing starts to wear. It's normal, it's inevitable. But here's the danger. It doesn't make noise right away. When you hear the noise, it's already 70 to 80% worn. And if you wait until it makes noise to replace it, 3 things can happen. First, the bearing seizes. You lose control of the vehicle. At high speed, accident. Second, the wheel literally comes off. That's right, the axle releases, the wheel detaches. I've seen this happen 3 times. Third, the bearing damages the hub, the axle, even the suspension. Then it's not just a bearing, it's $2,000 to $3,000 in repairs. But there's a simple way to check before any noise, and you can do it yourself in 2 minutes. If your Silverado has over 100K, drop a like now and stay because I'm going to show you exactly how to check. Could save you $2,800. You need nothing, just your hands. Step 1. Jack up the front of the truck. Floor jack or ramps. Need to take the weight off the wheel. Rear wheels on the ground, parking brake engaged. Step 2. Grab the wheel at 12 and 6 o'clock positions, top and bottom of the wheel. Push and pull. Try to rock the wheel up and down. What you're looking for? If the wheel has any movement, any play, even minimal, bearing is already bad. Good Silverado with new bearing, 0 movement, nothing, solid. Silverado with 100K plus and worn bearing, you will feel the play. Might be subtle, but it's there. Step 3. Now 3 and 9 o'clock positions. Sides of the wheel, left and right. Push and pull again. Same thing. Any play equals problem. Step 4. Spin the wheel slowly, by hand. Feel if there's irregularity, if there are hard spots, if it doesn't spin smooth. Should spin smooth. If there's irregularity, bearings wearing out. Step 5. Listen. While spinning, put your ear close. Hear any grinding, click, sound like sand? Any sound, bearing starting to fail. This whole process, 2 minutes per wheel, 8 minutes total. Could save you $2,800 and an accident. But how much play is acceptable? None. Silverado's 1999 to 2024 wheel bearings should not have noticeable play. If you felt movement in the test, schedule replacement. But it's not making noise yet. Great, replace it before it makes noise. Why? Because when it makes noise, it's already damaged other parts. Cost to replace bearing before. Bearing, $80 to $150 part. Labor, $150 to $250. Total, $230 to $400. Cost to replace bearing after when it makes noise. Bearing, $80 to $150. Hub, damaged, $200 to $350. Axle, may have damage, $300 to $500. Labor, more complex, $400 to $600. Total, $980 to $1,600. Cost of waiting until it comes off. Towing, $200 to $400. Bearing, $80 to $150. Hub, $200 to $350. Axle, $300 to $500. Suspension, collateral damage, $500 to $800. Body, if crashed, $500 to $1,000 plus. Total, $1,780 to $3,200 plus. Does it make sense to wait? If you've never checked your Silverado's bearings, comment "gonna check" because I want to see how many are doing this today.
How do I know if it's already too late? If your Silverado has any of these signs, it's past time. Sign 1. Humming sound that increases with speed. Sounds like a plane taking off. That's the bearing grinding. Sign 2. Vibration in the steering wheel at constant speed, not just when braking. Irregular bearing causing this. Sign 3. Vehicle pulls to one side without you touching the wheel, bearing seizing on one side. Sign 4. ABS light comes on the dash for no apparent reason, Wheel speed sensor detecting bearing irregularity. Sign 5. When turning corners, noise changes intensity. Turn left equals noise decreases. Right bearing is bad, and vice versa. If you have these signs, don't drive more than necessary. Schedule mechanic urgent. But if you don't have signs, perfect. Do the check I showed you. Prevent before having signs.
Bottom line, after 100K miles, check your wheel bearings every 6 months. Takes 8 minutes total. Could save you $2,800 and an accident. Jack up the truck, rock the wheels, feel for play. Any movement equals replace. Now tell me, how many miles does your Silverado have? And when was the last time you checked bearings? Comment. If this video helped you avoid an expensive problem, like, because it really helps the channel. Next week, another component that everyone ignores after 100K miles. And when it fails, $3,500 loss. Don't miss it. Thanks, and see you next time.